Hey guys, I'm Fred Britton, your local auctioneer here at Public Auto Auctions, and I wanted to give you this week's weekly auction report. So what I want to do is, like always, go over a few vehicles that are going to be in this auction and spotlight them for you. Kind of explain how you can do the same thing on your own. And as I go over these, I'm just going to let you know that you can come in person to the auction Monday through Friday from 9 till 3 p.m. to inspect the vehicles in person. But if you want to just sit on your couch at home, you can do the same thing by looking at our website, carstrucksandboats.com. You can check out any vehicle, have the listing of all the pictures, condition reports inside and out, 360 videos, videos of the engine running if the car is a running vehicle, and a lot of other information that we can give you from Carfax reports. But again, you can always look at the vehicle live and in person as well. So I want to spotlight 4 cars for you, some very different cars. And the very first one we're going to look at is an older vehicle, but a really nice classic looking vehicle. And it is a 1990 Jaguar XJS. Now this Jaguar is old, it's a 1990, but it's in excellent condition. And it only has 94,000 miles on the odometer. And we did rate this one at excellent condition inside and out. The interior was really clean and in great shape. It is a light gray interior. The exterior is like a silver. Does have wood paneling on the inside as well. It does start right up, runs and drives. As with any other car here at the auction, just make sure you do check out the vehicles first, because you never know if there's going to be any issues with the vehicle. You need to find that out prior. We only know what we know about these vehicles, and they are again sold as is where it is in auction format. So this Jaguar has really low miles, a very nice looking sport car. It is a convertible with a soft top. Check it out during the auction or this week prior. Now the next vehicle is going to be a 2019 Chevy Suburban 1500 LT. Now this vehicle is a little different in that it's a newer vehicle, but with a bunch of miles, more miles. It's got 231,000 miles. However, the vehicle itself is in excellent condition inside and out. All of the seats are available, third row included. They're all in the vehicle. And the interior is really, really great shape. The seats aren't cracked. They're clean. It looks like it was well taken care of and maintained. And this is one of the fleet cars that we do sell. So the Chevy Suburban has a lot of miles, but it's really, really clean. And it will be in this week's auction on Saturday. Come check it out or look at it for it on the website. Now, the next vehicle that I want to present to you is a 2003 Mercedes E-Class. That's an E500 Silver. This one has super low miles at 27,500 miles. It's never been driven really. It's a super old car. It looks like it was garage kept. The exterior has very few, if any, blemishes, and the interior is well maintained and cleaned. So this is a really nice vehicle, and it will be in this sale. The interior is like a tannish material, and the seats are in really good shape. Overall, a really nice looking vehicle for this auction. It will be in Saturday's sale. Come check it out in person or check it out online. Now, the last vehicle I want to spotlight for you is different than the others in that I wanted to explain to you that we do have vehicles that need a lot of work. So we have all kinds, running vehicles, non-running vehicles, vehicles that are ready to drive off the lot, some vehicles that are going to need a lot of work, some that you might want to use for parts only. So for instance, this is a 2006 Acura RL with navigation system. The thing with this is not only is it old, but it's got 300,000 miles. So this has a lot of miles. It's carrying a lot. It doesn't have the best of notes about its condition. It's got a few oil leaks, and it seems as though the transmission may be slipping slightly. So this one looks like it's on the end of its lifespan, but we do sell all kinds of cars here. This is an example of a car you could probably pick up for around $500. So check this one out on the website as well if you'd like, with all the others. But just know that out of all the cars that we sell during the auction, some of them run, some of them don't. So they're on all shapes and sizes, all conditions. We'd appreciate it if you guys would give us a call with any questions at 512-398-5995 or go to our website and check out our inventory at carstrucksandboats.com. Thanks a lot and see you next week.